नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वर्यादिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome every one of you with my love and respects on this auspicious Vijayadashami day. Especially the Guinness World Records adjudicator, Sri Swapnil Dangrekar. Welcome. I welcome all the participants of this officially amazing Guinness World Record. And I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through two-way video conferencing on Nityananda TV and in Bengaluru Adinam. I welcome you all on this auspicious Vijayadashami with my love and respects. Before entering into the satsang, let's offer our devotion to Devi Adishakti. Today is Vijayadashami. She destroyed all the incompletions, evils, negativity, and spreading joy, bliss, everything auspicious to the whole universe. Nityananda Annalaya is offering 301 Naivedyams to Devi Adishakti. Adishakti is gracing in Sarvalankara with Lakshmi and Saraswati. Venkateshwara on the Brahmotsavam conclusion day is gracing in the horse vehicle. Of course, he is going to now ride all over the campus on the chariot. So with the sattai, he is ready to ride on the horse, and the horse pull chariot. We are going to have procession immediately after the satsang. So let's first offer our devotion to Adishakti and Venkateshwara and start the satsang. So the first thing today, Thank you, Guinness World Records. Thank you for declaring us as officially amazing. So the certificate reads out, the largest rope yoga lesson was achieved by His Holiness Sri Nityananda Swami and Nityananda University at Bengaluru, India on September 30th, 2017. Officially amazing. Guinness World Records holder. Thank you, Guinness World Records and our adjudicator, especially for being here. Thank you for being here on this auspicious day. I also want to tell you, we will continue to make records on all the amazing Indian Hindu spiritual traditions. There are 5 methodologies of yoga. Yoga in jala means in the water which is stable, and yoga in sachala jala means water body which is moving like a river, and yoga on the pole, yoga on the rope, and yoga in the air, which is the highest form, which is done through the pranayama, levitating the body, and in that very air, moving the body into the postures, which is done after a long practice, after mastering. And of course, I am working on our balasans. Maybe in next few years, we will make record in that too. And yoga in the intense heat and yoga in the intense cold. All these are various permutation combination of the yoga to achieve and manifest certain extraordinary powers. So, whatever Hindu tradition speaks, one by one, we will make world records soon. Soon, we will start making world records. And the next important thing, Vijayadashami, means anniversary of Nityananda Gurukul. It's on the year 2006. We started with just a handful of kids. Officially, the Nityananda Gurukul. Otherwise, informally, we started in 2003 itself with few kids. 2006, officially with the teachers and buildings. It is now 11th year completing, entering into 12th year successfully. Unimaginable work, understand. especially through the power manifestation, the signs of power manifestation, we are bringing spiritual legitimacy to Hinduism. It is just because of our Gurukul. Gurukul is the place where officially these spiritual powers are taught, people get trained and practice and start manifesting. It's so beautiful. Now the Gurukul has evolved to the next level. Today it is becoming 100% complete Balasans Gurukul. So the Gurukul in Bengaluru Adinam, 100% Balasans. I'm so happy. Such an amazing achievement. It is not number, it is the quality. It is the quality we produced. I always used to tell, I'll be well known to the world because of my positive contribution through Nityananda Gurukul, and Gurukul is fulfilling what I said. We have made the mold, the fundamental structure successfully in last 11 years. I can very comfortably see by 2020 we have 10,000 Balasans in this campus living in our Gurukul. I can very comfortably see 10,000 Balasans living in this campus in our Gurukul by 2020, because we are successfully able to make the foundation structure, the mold. Greatest possibility for a superconscious breakthrough, the atmosphere, Vatavarana for the superconscious breakthrough is provided through this Adinam to adults and kids. Adinam provides atmosphere, Vatavarana, to explore physical, mental, psychological, spiritual possibilities and powers. Gurukul provides the atmosphere for the kids to explore physical, mental, psychological, spiritual possibilities and powers. My blessings to all the participants of the Guinness World Records. Officially amazing. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.